Am I audible, both of you? Please give me the response.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So when I become 2, okay, and so j become 1, because of if condition becomes true, it stops the working of the inner loop. Yes, program controller gets suddenly transferred outside this inner loop. But presently, okay, so inner loop get stopped only. Program controller transferred to where I plus plus I become 3. I would like to stop the execution of the this looping. I would like to terminate the directly outer loop. Then how can I? I would like to stop the execution of the outer loop. Then how can I? I am defining the label ABC. I am defining the label ABC. And suppose if I write the label ABC here, then what happened? Now just verify what happened. So there is no effect of what label ABC. Getting this? So what happened if I write label ABC before for here ABC and colon? What happened? Save this program, compile this program. Now run this program. Yes, it affects. When I become 2, directly program controller get transferred outside ABC block. Outside ABC block. It stops the execution of the outer loop. Okay, it stops the execution of the outer loop. So here we have implemented break statement with label in nested looping. Nested looping, because in C++ there is a goto statement available. We can use goto at any location in program, and we can transfer program control to any location in program within the same function. But in Java there is no goto available, and here we have to have it is very important. Okay, we must have this type of the concept in case of the nested looping. In case of the nested looping, actually nested looping is a very frequently used in game programming. There is a nested looping is there, so many loops are used. Okay, nested loops are used. So in that case here, on emergency, we can stop the execution of the outer loop on emergency. This is only the criteria mentioned for understanding purpose. हाँ, जो क्राइटेरिया, ये जो क्राइटेरिया है ना, सिर्फ समझने के लिए हमने मेंशन किया है कि आई की वैल्यू 2 होगी तो मुझे आउटर लूप स्टॉप करना है. रियल टाइम में कंडीशंस अलग होते हैं, जैसे कि यूजर ने एस्केप की प्रेस की तो स्टॉप करना है. सो देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट कंडीशंस, ओके, इन रियल टाइम. यस, getting this concept, Sudhir and Dhiraj, both of you, please give me the response.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so just keep in mind, you must keep in mind, so you have to use label. Okay, break with the label, and label must be defined before the start, before the that one outer loop program control structure. That is a that it may be for, it may be while, and it may be do while. Okay, now write on this program. Have you written the explanation?
Yes.
Okay, this one explanation, have you written this one explanation? Just write on the syntax here. And this ABC you must be used okay, condition 1, and this ABC you must be used before while. You must be defined before while. Write on this one. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down a program and output also. Okay. Finished writing? Now write down the output. I become 1, J become 1, I become 1, J become 2, I become 1, J become 3, I become 1, J become 4, I become 1, J become 5. Now, and important note regarding the program. When break statement executed inside inner loop, then program control gets suddenly transferred outside outer loop. Because label is defined label is defined before outer loop. Label is defined before outer loop. Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Now don't think, both of you, give me the just take the 5 minutes break. Sudhir, are you ready to continue 8 to 9?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay. Just take 5 minutes break.
Okay, sir. Leave meeting.
No. Just continue it.
Okay.
Continue is a keyword. Used only in looping statement. Used only in looping statement such as while, do while, and for. Such as while, do while, and for. While, do while, and for. And for. Continue statement when executed. Syntax write down. Write down syntax at first. syntax, continue. When it is executed, in loop, comma, program control will start next round of loop. Program control will start next round of loop. In for program control will be transferred to increment will be transferred to increment section, and in while it will transfer to condition section. It will transfer to condition section. Continue. Tell me when you finished the writing.
Finished, sir.
Okay, finished. Okay. So continue statement is from C++. Okay. Same. Behavior, working, same like C++. Actually, what happened in C++, we already have used continue so many times. So for suppose I have n is equals to 1, n less than is equals to 10, and n plus plus. Okay, and here the condition, here some program lines, yes, like this, and here I am writing the condition. Actually, we are writing, we are using the break and continue in if condition. We can directly use it, but we never get the effect, that much of effect. So if I'm writing here condition something, suppose n is equals to 4, or n is equals to 6, then continue. So in such case, what happen when inner if condition becomes true, n become 4, then program control suddenly transfer to the n plus plus. Means when n become 4, that time program control cannot execute program lines, these program lines. Okay, program control cannot execute these program lines. Why? Because continue occurs. When value of n becomes 6, then also program control suddenly transfer to the n plus plus. Okay, why? Because continue executed, and hence program lines those present in below that continue statement never executed. Okay, so working behavior is same. So okay, so any doubt regarding this? Now tell me.
No, sir.
This is from C++, Dhanashri, Dhiraj.
Sir.
And doubt regarding this?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. In case of Java, the continue is same. Okay, and also continue is extended with a label. Continue we can use with label. Okay, why it is with label? For the nested looping. Okay, so write down. So now here program. So for int n is equals to 1, n less than is equals to 10, n plus plus, opening curly brace. Now system.out.println n is equals to, I am displaying here value of n, and before this system.out.println, here I am using the if condition, and inside if condition here, suppose n is equals to 4 or n is equals to 6, then make use of the continue. Actually here curly brackets are not used, that is why in if condition there is only one statement. In if condition there is only one statement because curly brackets are not there. So we get the output here. So n is equals to 1, we get the output n is equals to 1. Similarly that we get the n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 5, n is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 5, 4 never gets, n is equals to 7, 6 never get, n is equals to 8, n is equals to 9, and n is equals to 10. This is a working of the continue. This is from C++. Okay, finished. Okay, so Sudhir already completed. Dheeraj?
हाँ सर हो गया.
Okay,
Completed.
Dhanashri?
Completed, sir.
Okay, completed. So here continue with level oblique continue in nested loop. In nested loop. So in Java, right on, we can write continue statement. We can write continue statement. Continue statement with the label. With the label. Syntax. Continue and space label. Label must be identifier. Label must be identifier. It is utilized in nested looping. When we want to run next round of outer loop, then continue is used. Write down it and tell me when you finish. Okay, completed. Good. So now see here, just understand the concept, this one concept with the help of the program. So Control V. So program to implement break in, I say continue in nested loop. continue in nested loop. So here there is no need of the scanner object. See now, at first of all, just try to understand with the help of the single loop. Here I value become 2, then continue. So here we're displaying the value of I, and I'm going to remove this explanation text. I'm going to save this program, that is a prog, I think so, 20, no? prog20.java. Okay, so I'm going to compile this program now. prog20. Yes, if condition I becomes sender, continue, there is spelling mistake, continue, save this, make the correction and save. Yes, again it is producing the error about the I. So I is equals to here system.out.println, because I is not there. Here is a J. How can I write I? Because there is a J variable available. J, and here J. Java space prog 20. So sorry, class name never modified, that is why. Now save, recompile, and then run. So J become 1, J become 3, J become 4, and J become 5. Means J never become 2. Actually it becomes 2, but program controller enables to reach to system.out.println statement in that case when J was 2. So this is the effect of the continue. Now suppose here we have nested looping. It's okay, this is from C++ concept. Okay, we already know this one. So I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 5, I plus plus. Now here just try to understand here. Actually our program could have maximum it presents, okay, maximum time it consumes maximum time inside inner loop. Okay, my program could have maximum, okay, consumes maximum time in inside inner loop. So here in this case I don't want to get execution of I when I is 2 and 4. Just try to understand. I don't want to get execution of I when I is 2 or 4. 2 or 4. If I'm writing like this, it continues only inner loop. It continues only J loop. If I'm writing like this, okay, it continues only J loop. So how can I continue outer loop? The